Hey, what's up guys, this is Dipesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Pixel 3 camera on MiA1 without stopping OTA. So first of all, let me show you the device I'm using is MiA1, which is running on the Android Pie with 5 January of security patch. Now first of all, you have to go to settings, then go to about phone, then find build number and tap 7 times on it. It will enable developer option in your mobile. Once your developer option is enabled, go back and go to system settings, find the developer option, and just enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Once you enable both of them, you have to boot your device in Fastboot mode. To boot your device in Fastboot mode, you have to hold power button and volume down button together until you see the Fastboot icon. Once you see the Fastboot screen, now you have to connect your mobile by USB cable with your computer and leave your device connected to your PC. Once your device is connected, you have to download all these files. So once you download all these files, first of all you have to install the Adb driver on your PC. I already installed this Adb driver, so I'm not gonna install it again. Next, you have to extract the platform tool zip file, and once you extract this file, you will get platform tool folder. Now you have to download Pageboot image for your device. You can download your Pageboot image from the link in the description. If you are running on the Android 8.1, then go for the Android 8.1 images, or if you are running on the 9.0, then go for the Android 9.0 images. Make sure that you downloaded the correct image file. Once you download that, you also have to download Magic Manager APK and Google Pixel Camera APKs. Now we will talk about them later. Now first of all, go to platform tool folder, then go to address bar and type cmd, and it will open the command prompt in the same directory where your platform tools are. Now here you have to type fastboot space devices. If you get some random string or some random number with the fastboot string, it means your device is connected in fastboot mode. If your device is connected, then you have to type fastboot space OEM space unlock. Don't press enter button here. If you press enter, it will wipe all the data from your mobile. And to avoid that, you have to hold the volume down button of your mobile. Now just hold the volume down button of your mobile and press enter button in your command prompt. It will avoid the data loss. Now your mobile will automatically skip the wiping part and automatically boot your device in fastboot mode. Now you have to type fastboot space reboot. It will reboot your device. And while it's rebooting, here you can see that your device get unlocked. You will get this warning message on your screen. If you get this screen, then it means your device bootloader is unlocked. Now again you have to boot your device in fastboot mode. Once your device is in the fastboot mode, you have to download the Pageboot image for your device. As I am running on the January update, that's why I downloaded the Pageboot image for the January. You can download your own image. And once you download your own Pageboot image, you can rename it anything you want. Make sure that you don't remove the img extension. If you remove that, it will not gonna work. So once you paste the Pageboot image in platform tool directory, you have to open the command prompt again in the platform tool directory. You can open command prompt by going to address bar and type cmd. It will open the command prompt in the same directory where your platform tools are. Now this time you have to boot your device in this Pageboot image. Now for that you have to just type fastboot space boot space your image file name .img. In my case it is boot.img.img, that's why I am typing fastboot space boot space boot.img.img. Make sure that you include that .img extension, otherwise this will not gonna work. So once you type that command and hit enter button, it will boot your device in Pageboot image. Once your device is booted up, now you have to copy all these 3 files on your mobile. You have to download Google Pixel 3 camera APK, Google Pixel 2 camera APK and the Magic Manager APK. You have to download all these 3 files on your mobile, or you can also download these 3 files on your PC and you can copy this file on your mobile as you wish. So once you have all these 3 files on your mobile, then first of all you have to install the Magic Manager on your device. Once Magic Manager is installed, just open it and it may ask you for the additional setup for multiple times, and you just have to allow it. Once done, now here you can see that Magis Manager is installed in your device, and here you can see that the safety net status is also passed. Once you're done with that, now make sure that your mobile is connected to your PC, and now go to your PC, open command prompt and type adb space cell. Once you type this command, in your mobile you will get a pop-up where it will ask for the allow USB debugging. You just have to allow for the USB debugging for every time. Once you're done with that, again type the same command in your command prompt, then type su for the super user request on cell, and once you type su and hit enter, in your mobile it will ask you for the super user request. You just have to grant the permission, and if you miss that super user cell request permission, then you can go to Magis Manager, go to super user, then here you can allow the permission for the cell. Now here you have to type these 2 lines of command. I'll put this command in the description of video. The first one will enable the camera to API in your device, and the second one will enable EIS on your device. Once you're done with that, you can close everything. Now go to your mobile and reboot your mobile. Once your device is rebooted, you can install both the Google camera in your device. For the Google Pixel 3 camera, you can go with the BSG latest Google Pixel 3 camera ported for Poco F1, which is working fine with MiA1 also. And for the Google Pixel 2 camera, you can go with the Google Pixel 2 camera of AirNova latest version 6. So once you install both the camera app, here you can see that both the camera application is working fine, and here you can use Google Pixel 2 camera for the front and the rear camera. Everything is working fine with the Google Pixel 2 camera except slow motion. And if you talk about the Google Pixel 3 camera, everything is working fine here. And here you may face the focus issue. If you face the focusing issue, then you can switch to video mode and switch back to camera or the portrait mode, and your focus issue will be fixed automatically. The front camera is not working with the Google Pixel 3 camera. It just captures some greenish photos, so you have to use the Google Pixel 2 camera for the front portrait or the front camera. Also, slow motion is not working in Google Pixel 3 camera. So this is how you can install Google Pixel camera in your device. And now if you want to unlock the bootloader and if you want to get OTA, watch this video continue. And here I will add some sample shot of Google Pixel 2 camera and the Pixel 3 camera, so you can compare both of them. So now I will show you how you can unlock the bootloader of MiA1 and how you can get OTA updates. So Magis Manager will get automatically uninstalled from our device. Why? Do you remember a few minutes ago we rebooted our device to apply all the EIS and camera to API commands? So because of that, Magis get automatically uninstalled from our device, and now we just have to remove, or we just have to uninstall the Magis Manager application from our device. And once you uninstall that, you again have to boot your device in Fastboot mode and just type Fastboot space OEM space lock. Don't press enter button. Now before pressing enter button, just hold the volume down button of your mobile, otherwise it will wipe all the data from your mobile. And if you press that volume down button, it will avoid the data wipe, and then your mobile will automatically rebooted to Fastboot mode. And then you just have to type the Fastboot space reboot, and it will reboot your device. So once your device is rebooted, it will get automatically boot logged, and there is no sign for the bootloader unlock. It just get logged. So once your device is rebooted, here you can see the Google Pixel 2 camera and Google Pixel 3 camera. Both the camera application is working fine, and you will also get OTA updates. You can install Camera to Pro app to check level 3 is supported there. You can install any root checker application to check whether your mobile is rooted or not. And last thing that you need to do, you have to just disable the developer option from your mobile. And once you disable that, and if you check your OTA will work. And I tested it out with the December security update, and I received the January OTA. And while I shooting this video, I am already in January update, so I cannot show you the proof of the OTA, but believe me guys, this is gonna work for you. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification of all of future videos. And if you haven't followed me in my social media, then you can follow me in my social media from link in the description. And this is for this video. This is the page signing out. Meet you soon in next video.